Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to sign up on OneXBet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for OneXBet. Now let's get into it. Now over here on the top right, we can see this option that is registration. So let's tap on that. Now we need to choose the details, that is select your country and choose the currency. And you need to enter your promo code as well if you have it, and simply click on register. Now complete the verification process here. Now we need to enter our username and create new password here. Simply click on deposit after that. So now here we need to enter all the details like contact information, and simply click on enable if you want it, and email address, and you can add your personal details as well. Once you're done, simply click on done and your signing up is completed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.